These are the elevators at the Sarasota Memorial Hospital North Garage in Sarasota, Florida. They got modded. Clearly the chime is a little off. 5 chimes for up. Anyway, let's go to 7. These used to be Dover Impulse and now they're Otis. We're at 7. You have an Otis interlock right there. Let's go back down to 1. Here's your certificate. It's got the screen that you normally see on Gen 3's 3,000 pound capacity. Ride, there's 2 other elevators, but one of them's out of service. You can tell they got rid of the call station over here. They're probably going to put in another Otis call station, or for all I know, they might not. Does this say anything interesting? It's just about accidents on the job. Five chimes, 6 chimes for up. Wow, we'll stand further in the back this time. I said further in the back, I guess we're in the front of the cab. You can see downtown Sarasota out in that direction. That's a construction area right there, and I can't quite tell where the elevator is. It looks like it's down at the bottom. Anyway, let's go back down to 1. Again, there's the one that's they're currently working on, and this is labeled as floor N1 simply because it's the north garage, floor 1. That'll be it.